Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. No, I'm just playing. What's good, y'all? What's good? What is up, everybody? It is your boy Snipe Jones, man, and it's early, bro. I mean, it's early. It's super early right now, bro. I think it's like 8 in the morning. I know a lot of people don't think that's early. I usually wake up every morning at like 5 o'clock, but on the weekends, that's my time to, you know, get a late start. I actually plan on getting a late start every single time. Man, I wanted to talk to y'all a quick second before I get into the video today. I was going to do a review on the foam posits. I really was. The purple camo foams, I really like those, man. I did a poll on my Instagram, and I also went live on YouTube, and y'all told me do not get them. I mean, I ain't gonna hold you. It's certain sneakers I have in my collection that I always don't do reviews on because it's like, I know y'all not gonna like the video, but I like the shoe. Now, I ain't gonna lie, man. A lot of these shoes back here are like, I mean, like, look, bro. Y'all never get to see behind the scenes. I mean, it's still like stuff that's just not even in these open containers for whatever reason. I guess I'm just like too lazy to put them in the open containers, but it's like stuff all back here, bro. It's crazy. But what I'm telling myself is I need to get smarter with my bread, man. Like, be honest, I get into this point where if you can get it, then get it. But I'm wasting a lot of money, and I'm just seeing where that extra money could go and what other stuff it can lead to. If you guys don't know, I will be at SneakerCon DC, and I will have like a bunch of merch that's only for DC only. It's like the limited merch for DC only. Hold on, let me go show y'all what we gonna have, man, when DC come through. So I do have a few of the Sniper Jones hats. One of the Sniper Jones hats is this black little wash denim. We see the snipe embroidery with the logo, and also I have that nice distressed denim colorway as well. Now, like I said, these will both be exclusive at DC, so if anybody come to DC, pick them up, man. I appreciate it as always. But that's just something that I can do going forward with my bread. Like, I can do stuff like that, interact with y'all, or do more stuff and make better videos without spending $230 plus on a pair of shoes that's probably gonna be for like $190 in like 2 months tops, I guarantee it. So I'm just trying to figure out ways to come at y'all a little different, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta be a little different, you feel me? I don't know, man. Right now I'm super excited, bro. I've been working. As y'all can see, the channel is getting bigger, it's getting better. Thank you to all my people who's been watching, and the following is getting bigger, man. I cannot be more thankful. Y'all know, man, when it come down to Snipe, I'm super humble, so it just means a lot. Also, guys, for my people who don't know, man, I do have a discount code going over at Rejuvenator right now for not 10% off anymore. It's 25% off, but you have to do a bundle. The bundle includes the, it was the 2-shoe sneaker laundry kit system. It was also the sneaker wipes, and last but not least, it was the water stain repellent. If you get all 3 of those in a bundle, you'll get 25% off the whole bundle and free shipping, so it knocks off a huge chunk of change. You get 3 things for 25% off and free shipping. You can't beat it. Of course, I will link it down below. It's kind of like my job to link stuff down below. Listen, man, I ain't gonna hold you. I've been on Apex heavy. Now, I'm not like the biggest gamer in the world, right? But I have been on Apex heavy. Y'all see, I went out and invested a mic, bro. Like, I don't play Xbox enough to get a mic, but now I'm on Xbox heavy. You know what I'm saying? If any of y'all play Xbox, then look, my gamer tag will be down below. I need some Apex hitters, though. Some people who nice, you know what I'm saying? I've been carrying Tony D in Apex for the last few days. So if y'all want to come and play and help Tony, no, I'm playing with him. Me and Tony be getting done. But anybody who want to play Apex, please drop your Xbox. I am an Xbox guy, so drop your Xbox gamer. And well, actually, I'll drop mine. And you know, if you nice, we can run. Another thing is, I probably won't have the what was it? The satin Jordan 1s available for the review today. It's probably gonna be tomorrow, and that sucked because I mean, everybody and their mama already then dropped the video on the satin 1. So do y'all even still want to see that coming from me? And then like I can give you your own foot because they only come to like size 6. You know what I'm saying? So I don't even know if I'll be able to do that. But I will have the shoe. It's just like, of course, I didn't hit for the shoe, and I have to wait for that. So you know how that go. I really just wanted to chop it up with y'all, man, before I had to head to the post office. I have to pick up a package given to me by a dope clothing brand. I'm gonna talk to y'all about that a little bit later. But I just feel like I don't get a chance to talk to y'all enough. You know what I'm saying? Like, the old Snipe used to sit here and talk to y'all. But I used to drop videos every single day, and I see my channel slowly grow. But it's like, soon as I stop dropping every day and start dropping like every other day, stop making like 7 videos a week and make like 5, my channel grew substantially. I went from like 22,000 to like 27,000 in like 2 weeks. It was crazy. But that's why I be asking, like, do y'all want the everyday content, or do y'all like the sporadic drops? I feel like, honestly, I feel like once I drop every single day, people kind of take the videos for granted because y'all be like, oh, Snipe, you know what I'm saying? Oh, he gonna drop tomorrow, you feel me? We don't need to watch that today, he gonna drop tomorrow. But then it's like if I don't drop every day and I drop a video like every other day, I feel like y'all be like, oh, my boy Snipe dropped one? He didn't drop one, boy. I didn't even remember the last video I seen by cuz. Let me go ahead and turn that on in. Of course, I'm not y'all. I don't know what y'all be thinking, but I know for a fact, maybe it was just like perfect timing. But like as soon as I decided, all right, cool, I'm not gonna drop a video every single day, and I kind of started spacing it out, my channel did grow way more than ever before. I don't know, man. But anyways, bro, I'm about to head out to the post office, grab this package, bring it back, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the day, bro. So if y'all don't mind, man, let's just get into it. All right, let's get it. Man, I got the feet out today, boy. Woo! Hey, I ain't gonna hold you, man. Like when I go to like the post office where I go to like pick up a pizza or something, I dress straight like a dad. I really hope to never bump into any of my subscribers when you see me like in that mode. I don't care, bro. As y'all can see, I'm going to the post office, no socks, you know what I'm saying? But it's a Sunday. I'm just going to my P.O. box. It ain't nothing crazy, but it's still your boy Snipe. That's on dog, yeah. Hold on, y'all know we gotta play some jams though. You know what I'm saying? What are we listening to now? Let me bring my phone out. Let me see, what's the vibes I'm feeling right now? Yesterday was of course Nipsey Day. Y'all like the case though? I'm not really like a hype beast or nothing like that, but when I seen this case, I was like, I ain't gonna hold you, it's kind of fire. What we gonna listen to today, boy? If y'all don't know, I know a lot of people on my channel used to me like talking like a lot of motivational talk. You know what I'm saying? Talking my talk. I used to pull up to old neighborhoods and think about the things I've always wanted or the things I always wanted to achieve, and I would try to tell y'all that to dream big and anything is possible when I'm still on that same path. I'm still that same guy. I'm very big into like motivational. I'm very big into like thinking things, believing in things into existence, being a good person, karma coming back. So I think like the music I've been listening to lately like kind of infiltrate like what I'm talking about right now. But today we're gonna get something inspiring, you know what I'm saying? Something motivating. Started off poor with plans to own more. Now we own stores and fuck the baddest horse. I was on tour with niggas that's so raw. Started selling white, we won't sell it no more. Like, can I get a weenie? Hey, yeah. I never came to the post office on a Sunday, even though like I know like the door should be open to my P.O. box. I just never did it. Alright, so as you guys can see, nothing too big here. Not none of like one of those huge unboxings I usually do, but it is something in the bag. I didn't even know it was there until this morning. I don't know when the post office started doing like random text messages, or at least my post office, but they just randomly text me and said, you have a package here at the mall. At the mall, bro? You have a package here at the post office. They sent me that yesterday, and I wanted to go pick it up today. I didn't know what it was, but I do know what it is now, and let's get to it. I don't really need to go extra and use my unboxing knife, but I'm still gonna do it. Let's see what we got. It's a shirt. Okay, let's see what we got inside the bag. Ziploc shorty. Bring that out, but it's a note inside first, so you know it's only right we read the note because that's love. Okay, the note is pretty long, and I'm like Floyd Mayweather's son, so just please be able to bear with me because I want to read this. Peace, Sniper Jones. Peace, my brother. I follow your Instagram and your YouTube page. Love your content and love and enjoy your vibes. Here's a promo package from Follow That Bag. All I ask is that you shout out my website, www.followthatbag, and my Instagram at followthatbagapparel. Y'all heard that. I will send you more of my product as we move forward. Thank you highly for your support. I will repost your work as well. As you wear Follow That Bag, send me pics. Also, thank you for the blessings. Continue to inspire. Follow That Bag. And at the bottom of the page, he has followthatbag.com, which I will link down below in the description of the website. Thank you so much, bro, for watching. I appreciate it. I really do mean it, man. All y'all. Anybody who want to send me anything, man, I always say, like, I'm super open for anything. You feel me? As long as it's, you know, appropriate. My actual P.O. box is listed down below in every single video I ever make. So if you ever wonder how to get something to me or send something to me, the P.O. box is always the best way. And if you want me to like say something specific, shout out something specific, like my bro from Follow That Bag Clothing did, just write me a letter and I will read it out loud for everybody so we can hear what you want to say. So the shirt, he was sent over to me today. Got the card as well, Follow That Bag. The shirt he sent over today is nice. I like that. You know what I'm saying? I like that. So you have the Follow the Bag clothing in this wavy, dope type font with the bag on the back with the FD. What's that? Is that FDB? follow that bag. I know a lot of y'all think FDB means something else, but no, it's follow that bag. Honestly, this shirt is tough. The material is very, very great. This is nowhere near a Gildan t-shirt or a Hanes t-shirt. The material is great. It is in my size, that size medium, and I actually do like the font and the way it is. It kind of reminds me of like those BBC shirts, man. It kind of got the wave going through the shirt like that. The BBC shirts, I see some of that in it, and that's pretty fire because I love BBC. I'm always supportive of people who's doing their own brands, who's people starting their own businesses, because doing a YouTube channel, that is a full business, independent business itself. From contracts to negotiations to even taxes when you're filling out your tax information, it's all considered an independent business, man. So thank y'all so much over at Follow the Bag Clothing. Any of you guys want any of this stuff, like I said, I will link it down below. And that is pretty much it for this unpackaging. I'm gonna call it unpackaging because it really didn't come in a box. Now, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do like the thumbnail of this video. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna probably clickbait it a little bit because it wasn't like a lot of exciting stuff in here, but it was a video I wanted y'all to see. I just want to thank y'all, man, from the bottom of my heart. Getting this content out this year has been amazing. This year has showed me a lot. I've learned a lot about sacrifice. I learned a lot about you guys. I learned a lot about the environment that I work in. This YouTube environment can be very, very hectic. I'm sure y'all see all the crazy stuff that go around, but look, only the real ones survive. My main thing is trying to be as steady, as consistent as possible. If you look at any business, if you look at anything, there's always people that get hot and people that sizzle out. But then you got people who stay hot forever without being noticed. For example, right, when Nelly came out, you know what I'm saying, he was like the hottest dude in the world, you know what I'm saying. I remember Jay-Z saying Nelly was so hot that he didn't even want to release any albums while Nelly was going on that rant, and Nelly was going like platinum back to back. But Nelly fizzled out very fast. He was very hot, but he fizzled out very fast. He got like a good 2-3 years. Jay-Z has been hot since the 90s, and he still is hot now because longevity is key. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do. Long and steady always wins the race. Thank y'all so much for watching, man. I appreciate it. Anybody got any videos or content ideas down below, let me know. My Instagram and Twitter is linked down below. Do not forget about the hats, the merch that we do have dropping, SneakerCon DC, and please don't forget about the promo code Sniper25 to be able to use 25% off over at Reshoevn8r. All you have to do is get the 2-shoe sneaker laundry system kit, also get the sneaker wipes, and of course the water stain repellent. If you bundle all 3 of those and use the discount code Sniper25, you get 25% off and free shit. Everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.